everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So in today's video, I don't know if you guys seen in the prior video, but the management company that is managing the rental property I'm at kind of destroyed the car with a whole bunch of debris and crushed glass, a whole bunch of crap. So I did hire Midwest Detailing to come out. It's a mobile detailing service to come out and clean her. So this is what's gonna happen, guys. We're gonna move to the garage right now. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see what's going on. I'm actually pretty excited. The car is coming out pretty good. It's looking a lot cleaner. It doesn't look like the paint was damaged very much, other than that part that was already noted on the molding and the actual side skirt itself. But the car is becoming the car again. It was just a pile of dust with metal, but right now the car is looking pretty good. So we're gonna give it just a few more seconds. We're gonna jump back into that garage, so let's go. Guys, I'm gonna turn the camera around and just do a pan of all the panels. This thing is looking spicy, so I'm really excited, because this kind of gives me a new oomph to put this motor in this car and get this shit started. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. Check it out. Look at this, guys. This here is the spicy addition 2 right here, the green chili pepper. Check it out. Nice and clean. He took off the overspray that I had here, that was great. He took off the tape goo that I had on the lights. This came out so much better than I anticipated it to be, and I'm really excited that we've done this now. Now this part is done. We're back to a clean slate. So then now we can really have fun with this car, because what I really want to do is really get into putting it all really back together. I got the dashboard there. That's going to be next on the agenda. Since we did pretty much finish the insulation on the interior and the sound deadening, moving forward, what we're going to have to do is the dashboard, which is right below all that stuff, and start putting new fabric on it. We're going to do Alcantara. We're going to have some fun with that. Thank you for watching. Again, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, guys, peace.